Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader known as Fijian Traders. This is your host Mr. Singh. Plug Power, ticker symbol PLUG. What a roller coaster week we had, folks. I am back from Fiji Islands, my vacation, getting recovery, jet lag, you name it, and I'm back in it on the Plug Power. I have no shoulder my shares yet. I'm still here. I understand you guys in pain, and I'm gonna talk about what is intake for Plug Power. We have earnings coming up, technical analysis, but you can clearly see how we are doing today. We have half an hour left for the market to close, and we're going high of $63.63 from all the way of those growing pains from the week we had. Folks, before we talk on the technical side, I want to talk on the fundamental side, right? Earlier this week, when the news came out, right? One of the great things of Plug Power, they are very keen to announce some of the growth. We know the Georgia, Tennessee plant, right? Yulin plant, and what else, right? Another one, the company is producing a hydrogen fuel cell solution, announced the contract of a significant of U.S. electrical manufacturer with the hydrogen infrastructure of U.S. fuel cell of technology for the material fleeting. The automotive facility spanning over 6 quarter mile is one of the largest nation dedicated for electric vehicle and battery production. More growth, more supply, more demand. Future looks great for Plug Power. Simple as that, right? And so Mr. Andy Marsh, right, the CEO of the Plug Power, commented on the partnership. This new partnership further strengthens our track record of success of automotive industry and making a significant leap in promoting a substantially within the sector. And he added that the plug technology is expected to enhance the operational efficiency and contribute to the environmental responsibility of automotive facility. So they're growing it, right? The plug has been struggling with the financial issues and the perhaps because of the high operating costs, the demand, the supply, you name it, right? The inflation rumors on the United States, in China, throughout the world, and has kind of hampered, and in terms of environmental, right? In companies and countries had been focusing a lot, but there was not enough a push towards that. And now you can clearly see that how much the demand of having the hydrogen fuel cell solution, it has been a big contributor, right? So earnings is coming up, right? Before I talk on the earnings, folks, it is going to be a roller coaster earnings. Yes, folks, right? Because what's as expected on EPS was minus 0.31, but now it has been projected, right? And so that's what we're going to talk on this article, right? The investment is continue closely monitoring the performance of Plug Power on its forthcoming earnings report. The company is scheduled to release the earnings on March 1st, 2024. The company's upcoming is projected to be minus 75, significant drop of 50% compared to the same quarter previous year. Meanwhile, our latest consensus estimate of calling a revenue of 202 millions, which is down for 8.5 price to record. So that was it, right? Because they knew about the high operating expense they have, and they have to control on that. So it's going to be a roller coaster when the earnings come in, because it definitely is going to beat on that, right? We know that it's supposed to forecast was 0.37, but now it's going to be 0.5. Means it is expecting some pullbacks coming. Then you knew about the shock offerings coming up as well, right? On the previous video I mentioned. So still here, right? Not going anywhere. Plug Power, right? I am sitting at my 20,000 shares. Right, still a little bit red on that, right? Not worried about it. My plan is to add another 20, right? At 30,000 shares, but I'm very skeptical about how I'm doing it because I want to see a breakout pattern in order to do it, but no. Folks, go and check out my portfolios on my YouTube channel that I do. Tesla, OCN, Mara, Neo, they are my big contributors also as well. You can see I'm up and down some of those. And this is how I want to invest on stocks. It doesn't matter. It's a blue collar penny stock, whatever it is. I'm here when I see a potential to make money. Absolutely, I'm here to make money, and it is for my long-term portfolios and some options tradings that I do for the longer run, such as and I'm keeping on Plug Power's option very closely, so stay tuned. There'll be something you might see in my screen very soon, but I'm waiting for some confirmation, and that's most likely going to be after the earnings. Let's talk on the technical side. What are we at today? Well, folks, today we went high. Beautiful run, beautiful run. You can see that the pink line, which is my 200-day EMA, is sitting right over here. acting as support. Didn't even came to play only in the beginning of the and now at 45 minutes when the market opened. But you can clearly see that my blue line, which is a beautiful 60-day EMA, was a massive support level, and we were making high highs, high lows, all the high of $3.63. I'm saying $6. I hope it gets over there, but it's $3 and 63 cents. What are we looking at 5-day, right? And 5-day, this is what I talked about. Now we had some reversal came back, right? Look at the big U coming up, right? We went $2.83. If you have loaded your shares, kudos to you. I have not loaded the shares because I wanted to see what's ever come to a breakout for an uptrend, right? Why am that? This is what's the breakout. You can see when the pink line is trading above, and the blue line is below, means it was a breakdown. This was the confirmation where it came at about $3. Now on the 5-day we have this reversal, right? And we're gonna look at 1 month, right? 1 month, this is very critical, and you can see that the break that I mentioned it when we were sitting at about $5, and over there, folks, I say unfortunately a downtrend is coming. Sure or not, it came from there all the way. And now you can clearly see that why, and we see how we are struggling today. This is a 1 month chart, folks. Stay up 2 minutes. Don't go anywhere. The blue line is right here. The pink line is the next resistance. We broke through this, which is sitting at here at $3, at $3.24, and $3.60 is our resistance. Right now, we went tested it, right? Is sitting at $3.56. So we are having this difficulty. We break this. Oh boy, you know what's gonna be the next one, which I'm gonna share with you guys. We're gonna clearly show you guys where it's gonna be the next one, right? But you can see my chart level is sitting right here, and it is none other than it's gonna be sitting right up here, and which is the 376. So there are key levels. We gotta broke the $3.60, and we gotta hold on that, and then win that. So everything is pointing for an uptrend. Look at the MACD, folks. Look at the MACD. Lot of room left, right? And I understand these are my major resistance level sitting up, but I am not gonna say put anything unless I see a breakout on that. But I see a reversal. I see a reversal, completely sell-off came up. Now we have this volume predicts price. Beautiful volumes comes in, and now we have testing on that. So definitely we gotta keep an eye on that. I'm gonna go back 1 month later because I missed something, but I'm gonna share with you guys quickly on that, right? Let's do that. Let's do that on the 1 month, because something that I caught my eye, I wanted to share with you guys is the MACD, right? Right here, MACD, and I forgot to discuss with that. And volume predicts price, right? Look at the volume has been beautiful volume. Green volumes comes in, right? RSI has cooled off a little bit as expected and have it. And you can clearly see that our pink line is sitting at $3.60. So that's why I'm saying that $3.63 we're gonna break and hold over there and see on that after the earnings and breakout, because earnings projected, folks, was sitting right here at minus 42 cents. So if this is roughly between, there's a big gap between 56 and 46. You know, on my platform it thinks 42, 56 is projected by the in real sense. So it's definitely something to keep an eye, because it's gonna have a roller coaster earnings coming up on that, and that's after the market. So stay tuned, and it's a couple days from left right now, folks. So we are right around the corner for the earnings, and that's gonna have a high volatility coming up. So we gotta break this, right? $3.56. And on the 6-month chart, you can clearly see that this is the roller coaster ride we had. We had from up high from $6.33, low of $2.13, now making high. And time they were acting as a support level, and we broke down, right? So everything is now pointing towards uptrend, right? We have, but it's gonna see is it a short lived or a long lived, because the earnings is right around the corner, and something we gotta keep an eye on. The 6 months, you can clearly see that the blue line, which is sitting at $6 and $3.61. I keep saying $6. Something is coming up with $6. So $3.61. That's why I am saying that we gotta break. So today we are right there as a beautiful 1-day chart, and you can clearly see that we did tested it, and guess what? we got rejected quickly, and now we are kind of broke through our moving average on that at 356. And I won't be surprised we come back and go test high of 363 when the market closes up. Hey folks, thank you for watching the video. I am back. I'm still gonna be doing my videos on this. I'm not going anywhere. I'm excited. I am excited about this company, as you know, and selling about the share price definitely doesn't match it, but just have patience, folks. Just have patience, because sometimes you invest something and doesn't work out, it doesn't pan out right away. You know, it's okay to have a plan to, you know, to average down your stock or whatever you have. I usually don't do that average down until as I have a confirmation for an uptrend, because I don't do that, right? Everybody has a different plan. Not a final advisor, not a, you know, this is just my due diligence, but just have a patience. I know I'm on the red too, folks, because my average is $3.71. And I'm right over there, and I'm definitely missed an opportunity to average it down, but I always wait for the confirmation to do that. And this is a great confirmation for an uptrend, and my plan is to add another 10,000 shares down as soon as we go up. So folks, buckle up. We have a great week coming up when things are around the corner, so we're gonna see a lot of roller coaster ride coming on this. So thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash the like button, and next video is coming up on Thursday, so stay tuned on that. Thank you.